Hello guys, my name is Abhinav and I will give you a walkthrough of interface code. So first of all, this is the home page that you will see when you run the Flask server. So these buttons will help the user to navigate. For example, stop is to stop the vehicle, turn left, turn right, forward, reverse. And we also have an automate button. On clicking this, the vehicle will automate the entire journey. And we also have a field setup button. So first of all, let's look at the code. So the code for the home page is in render.html. So these are the buttons with IDs referring to the function that the button is performing, and the JavaScript file linking to render.html. Here we have this JavaScript helps us to render the particle effects that you see on the page. And on clicking each button, first we are getting the button and storing it in a variable. Clicking each button and we are putting a event listener, click event listener. We are firing a request on this. For example, on clicking the automate vehicle but automate button, a request is sent on /automate underscore vehicle. Same for right, left, forward, reverse, and stop. And we have that field setup as a link to field setup page. So let's go on the website. Yeah, so on clicking field setup, you are navigated to this page. So in this page is a field setup where the user will select the start node, the end node, add tree, and save. So let's look at the code. The code for the field setup is in tree.html. So in tree setup, as you all see, we have select in which all the options will be populated. And we also have button to add tree and then to save tree. And these all are part of the CSS that you will see now in tree.js. So here's where the function is happening. First, we are fetching all the nodes and adding them as options in the start drop-down menu. For example, we are sending a request, fetch all nodes, getting a response, and then populating them as an option in our select. Like in our case, we have basic science, Ganesha, hostel turn. These are all the nodes that we have in our context, in our map. Moving next, we have on selection of any of these nodes. For example, if we select Ganesha, a event is triggered. This event, this event sends this current node to the backend, and we fetch the neighboring node. And then the neighboring node is populated and is given as the end node. For example, let me show you first. Yeah. For basic science, the neighboring nodes are teacher parking Ganesha statue. For Ganesha statue, we have basic science hostel turn. Likewise, for again volleyball court, we have teacher parking and hostel turn. So let's select basic science and Ganesha statue, for example. Then we will click on add tree and save. On clicking add tree and save, we will get this graph in which trees are populated between the hostel, between the basic science and the Ganesha statue. And you can also see this is the map representation of the same stuff between the Ganesha statue and our basic science. This is the map representation of the line representing the path followed by the vehicle. We also have CSS files uh, for rendering all the animation and particle effects, which you can see in tree.css and style.css. With help of these, we are maintaining state and putting the particle effects. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you.